Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the shop. I don't know how this is going to work. I got this camera mounted on my helmet. Starting here with my workbench, and this is coming out of the house. And there's the overview of my shop. Got a few quadcopters up there. Some of them I built myself with my CNC machine. Others I bought. My little 7 by 14 lathe I have. Over there in the corner, that red device you can see is a wood router that I'm working on. Built a new cabinet for it, and just needs the electronics. I haven't quite got to it yet. And I also put in a workbench, or pardon me, a desk. As you can see, it needs a little work. And every shop needs a little fridge to house the beverages for the summertime. And up top you see some of my other projects. My Pegasus boat is electric. Really enjoy it. The steam engine that you see there is a Stuart Turner clone that I built years and years ago, along with the boiler, and it's going in a 4-foot tugboat that I have under construction. It's an Elmer Verberg engine here, wobble plate engine. Works really good. And so over on this side, I just have cupboards that I built from salvaged wood at one of the habitat places. Some of my models up on top there. So as you can see, I have a lot of interest in a lot of different things. My 7 by, I think it's a 7 by 12 saw, sanders, grinders, all that good stuff. My MIG welder. And then over here I have my drill press. This is an old Powermatic that I bought from a friend of mine, and I just recently converted it over to a VFD. I put solid state relays in it to turn it on, so they come on now, and it now runs forward, backwards. Tachometer I put in with a sensor, and speed control is infinite. This thing really works good to start holes. I'm going to put, hopefully I'll put a brake on it so I can do some tapping as well. But it is just phenomenal now, right now. And this is my CNC mill that I use to actually drill the holes in those channels for my customer. And it's salvaged from Davis Salvage with completely new electronic controls. I've owned it for about 5 or 6 years now, and I absolutely love it. It's got an Ajax controller in it, so it works really, really nice. So these two cabinets, you can see them, were both full of electronics. Now this is the Ajax controller, runs on a PC, and I just rewired the whole thing. Everything is in this cabinet now. Uses the original servo motors, and works phenomenal. Works on Mach 3 or CNC 11, which is the software for that Ajax actually has for their machines. Give you a little better idea of what it looks like there. This thing's on my head, so you can't see too much. It's my baby. So here's another angle of my shop. This is my little mill drill, which is my next conversion project. It's due for a VFD here anytime. That's why things are hanging off of it. Just working on that now, but of course got a couple of paying jobs I got to do before I get into that. All right, so there you have it. You have a tour of the shop, my little lathe. I've had it for 30 years or more. Just yesterday, or this week, I had to build a bigger tapping head for tapping those pipes that you saw earlier. And they're 1.5-inch dies, so I had to build a bigger one. This one here, the original one, is for 1-inch dies. Of course, I've had this for years and years and years. All right, well, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that.